Are you ready to take your business processes to the next level? Robotic process automation is the future of business automation. Discover how RPA can transform your business processes. RPA can increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. RPA can reduce costs by eliminating the need for manual labor. Take the first step towards a more efficient and cost-effective business with RPA. Are you ready to take your business to the next level with RPA? Let's get started. UIpath is known for its user-friendly interface and extensive library of pre-built activities. Automation Anywhere offers a wide range of features and integrations, making it a top choice for businesses of all sizes. Blue Prism's focus on security and compliance makes it a popular choice for highly regulated industries. Microsoft Power automates seamless integration with other Microsoft products, makes it a great choice for businesses already using the Microsoft ecosystem. WorkFusion's use of artificial intelligence and machine learning sets it apart from other RPA tools, allowing for more advanced automation capabilities. Please subscribe to our channel.